Hey, what's up, everybody? This is a 2002, 2005 Jeep Liberty. We're doing the oil pressure sender, not to be fused with the oil pressure sensor or switch. This is actually called the oil pressure sender. Oil pressure switch is gonna have a 10 millimeter bolt that holds it in. This one right here is a 27 millimeter socket, as you can see, and fits right in there. It's located right above the oil filter, which is right here. Here's your oil filter, and let's see, the switch is right above it. Let's see, right there. So I already got it unplugged. There's your oil filter right below it. There's your plug for it, and I've already got it unplugged right there. This one right here, sometimes there's like a little red tab you might have to push out, and let's see, this one actually might be missing a wire on the back of it. Looks like there's two. It might just, I think it's only supposed to have one that goes in. I gotta check, but she's got the oil light on, so I'm gonna have to see if there's more than one wire that's supposed to go there, because that could explain why the light's on. If it's supposed to have more than one wire going into the back of it. I know this car has a bunch of crazy electrical problems when she said whenever it rains and all the lights come on, and the horn comes on and the windshield wipers come on, and without the key being in it, with that, like, the car would just is like possessed, is what the customer says. But anyway, that's how you do the oil pressure switch sender. I got a little, this is my setup right here. So I got like a extra long head 3/8 ratchet with a swivel on it, and I'm just going to take it out like that and screw it in by hand. But you can get it from the top very easily. It's right there. If you go from the bottom, you got to take off, possibly have to take off, according to all data, the undershield cover, which I don't want to do if I don't have to do it. So this is a Jeep Liberty. This is a V6, and it's 2-wheel drive. But this is for, I believe, goes all the way up to like 2013 models, 2011, something like that. But anyways, oil pressure sender. Remember, it's not the switch, it's called oil pressure sender. If you are trying to replace that part and you order the oil pressure switch, it's going to have a 10 millimeter bolt that goes right here, and it's going to be the wrong part. So this is what you want to order, oil pressure sender. That's what it's called. Alright, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.